In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a subscription budget tracker in Notion specifically for handling recurring payments. If you have found that keeping track of your subscriptions and recurring payments can be a bit overwhelming, then you're in the right place. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a handy Notion template that keeps all your subscription details in one easy-to-manage space. So, let's dive in. First, head over to your Notion workspace. Notion is rated highly for organization and productivity. So if you aren't already using it, it's a valuable tool to consider. If you haven't logged in yet, be sure to click the Login button to access your workspace. A friendly tip: make sure your credentials are handy, and once you're in, you'll be brought straight to your Notion homepage, which serves as the starting point for setting up your tracker. From your homepage, the next thing you want to do is search for a subscription tracker within Notion. The search bar in Notion is quite powerful, so you should find what you're looking for without too much hassle. Just type in subscription tracker, and it should bring up a list of templates and pages related to managing subscriptions. Once you've found a subscription tracker template that fits your needs, go ahead and select it. Now, Notion offers various templates designed by creative users. So take a moment to pick one that resonates with your specific preferences and the layout you find most intuitive. Remember, your chosen template will become the blueprint for organizing your subscription information. So consider aspects like usability and information layout as you make your choice. After selecting a template, the next step is to incorporate it into your workspace. You do this by clicking on the Add button. This ensures that the template will be added to your personal Notion workspace, ready for customization. It's exciting to see how this existing framework will mold into something that fits your personal or professional needs. With the template in place, you can begin customizing fields to tailor it to your specific subscriptions and recurring payments. Identify each subscription's details, such as the service name, the payment amount, due dates, and any other relevant notes. This will not only help in keeping track of the spending, but also in identifying any areas where you might want to reduce costs or cancel unnecessary subscriptions. And there you have it. You now have a clear pathway to manage your subscriptions and keep track of those recurring payments using Notion. This subscription budget tracker is a great way to enhance financial clarity and save both time and money in the long run. Thank you for following along, and I encourage you to explore more Notion features to enhance your productivity even further.